Doing the math over here, and this is, I believe, the 1984 AIME problem number 8. And here's a view of this problem. The equation z to the power 6 plus z to the power 3 plus 1 has one complex root with argument theta between 90 and 180 degrees in the complex plane. Determine the degree measure of angle theta. So first of all, let me just write this in as follows: 1 plus z cubed plus z raised to the power 6. And the first thing I notice is that this is just simply a geometric sequence with common ratio z cubed. So let's write this that. So a sub 1 and then z, which is z cubed times the number of terms, raised to the power number of terms, and then minus 1 over common ratio minus 1. So there's something significantly better about this form. We know that the roots of z to the power of 9 minus 1 are simply the ninth roots of unity. And the solutions to z to the power 3 minus 1 are simply the third roots of the cube roots of unity. So to find the roots of 1 plus z cubed plus z to the power 6 is just the ninth root of not the ninth roots of unity that are not the third roots of unity. Because if it were a third root of unity, then the denominator would be 0, and we can't have that. So let's try to find this. So the solution to z to the power of minus 1 is equal to 0. Well, that's just e to the 2 pi ki by 9 for 0 k, and then we can have it all the way until 8. So let's maybe list something. Let's list these. We can have, of course, e to the power 0, e 2 pi I by 9, e raised to the power 4 pi I by 9, and okay, let me just list some more. E to the power 6 pi I by 9, e raised to the power of 8 pi I by 9. And then I don't need to list e to the 10th pi I over 9, because 10 pi over 9 translates to 200 degrees in 200 degrees, and we need to look for something between 90 and 180. So we'll stop over here. So now let's go z cubed minus 1. These are simply just of the form e to 2 pi ki by 3 for k between 0 and 2 inclusive, and the roots of this will be e to the power 0, e to 2 pi I by 3, and then e to the 4 pi I by 3. So we want to look for the root that's not the root of unity. Well, I immediately realized that e to the power 4 pi I over 9 is just e to 2 pi I. E to the power 6 pi I over 9 is just e to the 2 pi over 3. However, this is in the second quadrant, between 90 degrees and 180 degrees, and it does not contain any third root of unity. Therefore, this is going to be our answer. And we know that there are no other roots of unity between 90 and ninth roots of unity, that is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. So e raised to the power of 8 pi I over 9 will be our solution. And then 8 pi over 9 into degrees is simply 160. And we are done.